We've ordered a new Haas VF-2. Bit of tooling showed up. It's our orange vices, and we're going to do a little unboxing video for you. Heavy. Whew. It doesn't matter, right? I need a knife. 60 pounds. The best driver. So we got these from these orange vices from Mari Tool. They had them in stock. I think with orange it was going to be about a month. Alright, so this is orange vice. It's a 16-inch single, not a double. The last one we had is a double. We ended up not using it that much, and I think we could probably even make this into a double, because we still have the holes here for putting the centerpiece. Everything looks the same, so we didn't use it enough to justify the double again, so we just went with the single. So on this new version 4, they've changed a couple things. For starters, these bodies here are black. Looks like they've black oxided them. They put the logo in it. Kind of cool. But the other thing that they did is here you've got the Carve Smart adapting, and then on this side is just a standard, which their hard jaws that came with it are for the standard. The old version too that we had came with Carve Smart designed hard jaws. Not sure why they went away from that, because I kind of liked it. So on version 4, I think it depends on your configuration. You'd have to run these hard jaws, but you can actually close the vise now. Before, you had to use a longer jaw to close the vise, which I guess they've addressed that with this. The other thing you can do is go from here to here. You can change the positioning, so this will get you out to 8 inches. I think this gets you to 4, but then this closes. So that's nice. Before you probably had 1.5 inch space, which was kind of a pain sometimes when you're trying to run smaller parts. But here you go, you can reverse this, move this pin out. Put it in from the other side. Now you can run standard jaws. And the same goes for this. This back one's pinned. They've also added little set screws here so you can get your pins out if they get stuck in the bodies, which is kind of nice. So the other thing that comes with it, some mounting. Actually, I'm not even sure what these are for. I think these are replacement seals for the Acme thread. You got a few more pins. I think these set screws I took out to put the pins back in here. It also comes with the hold downs. You're supposed to run 3 on each side, and these are for the jaws. So I think that's it. So there it is, Orange's version 4 vise.